Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. If you're new here, hello and welcome. My name is Sharleen. I do all things makeup, hair and fashion. So if you are interested in that sort of content, then don't forget to subscribe down below and also like this video if you do enjoy it. So I've been so excited to film this video. The parcel arrived this morning. I was like, yes, even though I have assignments and presentations due in like 2 days, I was like, I have to film this video because I can't wait. So this video is in collaboration with Moramode and they kindly sent me a new wig, and guys, when I tell you, this wig is absolutely beautiful. And I know I say that about a lot of stuff, but this one, it just screams beauty. And this is basically my dream wig. The colour is everything and I'm going to show you what it looks like. So I just wanted to say thank you guys again for supporting me. It means so much. And this is the reason why I get brands reaching out to me, and I'm just so grateful that I'm able to try products out before you do. When Moramode reached out to me, I had a little look at their Instagram and I was like, wow, the wigs actually look like scalp. Like, it does not look like a wig at all on all of their models. And I sent a couple of wigs that I liked from their website and they sent me one back, and this is a new wig. It hasn't got a name yet. We just want to see how you guys react to it, and I'm sure you guys will love it because it is literally the perfect wig. So the packaging just looks like this, and I really do appreciate brands who put a lot of effort into their packaging. This is so sleek, this is so beautiful, and it just comes with a little bow at the front, and it says Moramode, the perfect illusion. So inside it just comes with a thank you card, and it just says how to maintain and look after the wig, and it smells like a beautiful perfume. I don't know what perfume or shampoo they're using, but it smells amazing. This is the wig. So can we just take a moment to appreciate the colour of this wig? This is amazing. It has this nice blonde streak just highlighting and framing the face, and then it goes into like a brownie blondie balayage. And I think this is so beautiful. So I believe that this has a 13x6 inch parting, and it comes pre-bleached and pre-plucked. So this wig is literally ready to go. You can throw it on and in a couple of seconds you'll be done. Looking at the lace, it looks like it's got that kind of scalp effect, so it makes it look more natural and just blend into your scalp better. And this just feels like a really high quality wig. It's definitely worth the price because it feels amazing, it looks amazing, and I'm just excited to try it, so let's get it on. So it does have a thick elastic band at the back, and it's just going to help to make the wig feel as secure as possible, so that's a really nice thing to have. And it also has these like silicone grippy things on it, if you can see. So that's just going to help it to be even more secure. So this is probably the first wig on my channel that I'm not going to pluck, so it just shows how amazing it is. I do wish I did thinner braids underneath, but honestly it just takes so long to braid hair sometimes. But yeah, this is a really nice wig. So to stick the wig down, I'm just going to be using this glue that I got for Christmas. I believe it's from Amazon, and it comes with a little spatula, which is really handy. And I'm just going to apply this to the perimeter of my head. Out of all the guys that approach me, walking up to me like they know me, you were the one that stayed aside, waited a while and took your time. You don't know how impressive your curiosity was to me. It was the 4th day of July, looked in my eyes and saw that I had more than just a man. I needed a friend. So most of the right side has dried up already, but I'm just going to apply one more layer just to make sure it stays, because I plan on wearing this for a few days. So whilst it's tacky, I'm just going to bring the lace down, and you want to ensure that you're positioning it into the right place. Then I'm just going to take a blow dryer and just dry it all down. So I'm just going to cut the lace and see how that goes.
I used to sit back and analyze on how we first met. A year ago on a barbershop steps, you and your friends walked past me. I called you back like, come here sexy, have a word with you, yeah please. Congratulations on being my gift. God wrapped you up tight and he preserved my wish.
So I do feel like I could move the wig a little bit forward, especially around the side area. So I'm going to attempt to do that now. I'm just going to try and clean off some of the excess glue. Okay guys, next I'm just going to sort out the ear flaps, which I always leave till last. And I feel like it could do with a little bit more glue there. So we are almost finished. I just have to add a few finishing touches. So I'm just going to try and clean up the glue a little bit because I did go overboard slightly, and yeah, it just needs some cleaning up. So I've got this lace wig bond remover, and this is from Abigail, and I talked about this in a previous video. And I'm just going to spray this on a cotton bud and try and clean up the glue. Okay, next I'm just going to add a tiny bit of foundation to the lace, just so that it blends a little bit better because it's looking quite crusty because of the glue. Okay guys, this side is just remaining crusty, so I'm just going to work on the baby hairs and then we will set it in place. Okay, then I'm just going to tie everything in place using this thin headband thing. So it's been about 5 minutes and I took the headscarf thingy off, and I'm really happy with how it looks. This is how it's laid. I do wish I applied it better. I feel like I could have done a better job, but I'm still learning. I'm not an expert at wig application, but I'm learning as I go along, and the more practice I get, the better I will be. But this wig honestly is the perfect wig, and I rarely use the word perfect, but it just seems fitting. The way it was plucked, the colour, the texture, the density, everything is just amazing, and I really do recommend this wig. You know guys, I'm not going to recommend something that I don't generally like myself, but as you can see, I feel like you just need to look at it and just know. So yeah, that is it for this video. Make sure to check out Moramode on Instagram and on their website. I'll put all the links in the description below. If you do like this wig colour, then definitely comment down below to let Moramode know that you're interested in buying this wig or seeing this wig on their website, because it is new. And yeah, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.